Let's explore the foundational concepts of ethical hacking and cybersecurity. The architecture of security fundamentally rests on three critical pillars: confidentiality, integrity, and availability, collectively known as the CIA Triad. When examining security implementation, it operates through multiple defensive layers, systematically applied across all system components. Speaking of unauthorized system access, hacking encompasses various categories, ranging from malicious intrusions to authorized security testing. From a security threat perspective, advanced persistent threats, APTs, represent nation-state-sponsored operations, presenting the most sophisticated level of cyber threats. Notably, internal security incidents, primarily unintentional in nature, constitute a significant portion of security breaches. The practice of ethical hacking focuses on proactive vulnerability detection before malicious actors can exploit these weaknesses. These security professionals utilize the same toolset as malicious actors, but with organizational authorization. Technical proficiency combined with soft skills forms the essential skill set for ethical hackers, with practical experience obtainable through virtualized testing environments. Turning our attention to attack methodology, the cyber kill chain framework delineates attack phases: reconnaissance, weaponization, delivery, exploitation, installation, command and control, and actions on objectives. Additionally, the MITRE ATT&CK framework provides comprehensive attack classifications across enterprise, mobile, and IoT matrices. Information assurance implements structured security architectures to maintain CIA principles enterprise-wide. The security framework operates through several key components. Policies serve as mandatory management directives, procedures provide specific implementation steps, and guidelines offer recommended best practices. In terms of risk management, the process systematically identifies, evaluates, and prioritizes security risks. Risk analysis employs two primary methodologies: qualitative analysis, which utilizes subjective probability and impact assessments, and quantitative analysis, which calculates monetary impact based on asset value, exposure factor, and occurrence rates. Risk response strategies encompass several approaches. Risk avoidance eliminates risk-generating activities. Mitigation reduces impact severity. Transfer shifts financial responsibility. Acceptance acknowledges manageable risks, while rejection represents an inadvisable dismissal of legitimate threats. The implementation of incident management processes systematically addresses security incidents through identification, analysis, prioritization, and resolution phases. Furthermore, ethical hackers must maintain awareness of relevant security organizations, regulatory requirements, and industry standards. These technical foundations provide the framework for understanding and implementing effective security measures within modern computing environments.